Learning letter Z. We are going to learn how to write the uppercase and lowercase z. Practicing writing, we can use our finger and write the letter in the air. We can use our finger gently on our device screen, or if someone is at home to help us, you are more than welcome to use a piece of paper and a writing utensil of your choice. Here we go. This is the uppercase Z. Z makes the Z sound. The letter Z has 3 steps. So watching me, let's begin. We're going to start at the very top of our writing space, at the top line. We're going to do a straight line to the right, stop, then we're going to do a slanted line down to the left, stop, and then our last step, step 3, is we're going to do another straight line to the right. And that is how we write an uppercase Z. Okay, let's practice together. Get your fingers ready. Let's do step 1. Step 1, straight line across to the right, stopping. Step 2, slanted line down to the left, stop. Then step 3, another straight line across to the right. And notice, all of our lines match up. The top is the same as the bottom, and as well as the backspace of the Z. Okay, our top line and bottom line match. They're the same size. Okay, now it's your turn. Go ahead and get your finger ready, and I would love for you to write the uppercase Z now. If your uppercase Z looks like my uppercase Z, then you are correct. Great job. Now, this is the lowercase z. The lowercase z has the same 3 steps as our uppercase Z. So still, again, looking like a zigzag. However, the lowercase z is much smaller in size. So when we begin writing our lowercase z, we start at our dashed line instead of at the very top. Again, step 1, across to the right, much smaller line this time, stop. Step 2, a slanted line down to the left, stopping at the bottom of our writing space, the bottom line. And then step 3, we have another line straight across to the right. Again, lining up all my lines, and that is how we write the lowercase z. Let's practice together. Get your fingers ready. Lowercase z, step 1, straight line across. Step 2, slanted line down to the left. Stop. Step 3, straight line again to the right. And that is how you write a lowercase z. You're doing fantastic. Now I would like for you to practice on your own. Get your fingers ready and go ahead and practice writing the lowercase z. If your lowercase z looks like my lowercase z, then you again did it correctly. Great job. Now, let's review. We have our uppercase z on the left, our lowercase z on the right. As you can see, they look almost identical, except our lowercase z is smaller. All right, fingers ready. Uppercase Z, straight line across, slanted line down, and straight line across again. There is our uppercase Z. Now let's move on over to the right side of our screen, and let's write the lowercase z together. Fingers ready. Straight line across, much smaller in size. Slanted line down, Stop. Step 3, another straight line across to the right. You are doing amazing. Now let me see you try on your own. Get your fingers ready. I would like for you to practice writing the uppercase Z now. Okay, if your uppercase Z took up most of your writing space and looks like mine, you did a fantastic job. Now, your fingers should be ready again. I would love for you to write the lowercase z now. If your lowercase z was smaller in size, but also looks like mine, you did it correctly. Great job. This is the end of learning how to write the uppercase and lowercase z.